Can you please confirm me once more time? Is everything okay or not? Am I audible or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Any kind of reaction from our previous class? Do you have any kind of reaction what we discussed in our previous session? Or up to now what we discussed? Any kind of reaction?
No, sir.
What we discussed in our previous session? This is our day 8 project, right? Okay, maybe this is our student.java 1 class, right? Okay, this is our main class. What we discussed in our previous session?
Previous.
Okay. This is actually
Previous set injection.
Okay. Now let me discuss with Anna. Actually, for example, this is our XML file, right? So we discuss actually setter injection, right? Setter injection. Okay, injection. So XML file, right? So XML configuration.
Yeah.
For
Yes, sir.
example, we need a class, for example, class test. So this is our normal Java class, right? Okay. So how to make it Spring class or Spring Bean? Simply we need to configure, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ways of
In application context.
two ways of configuration, right? One is manual configuration and another is auto configuration, right? Auto configuration means our Spring Boot. There are three styles of manual configuration. XML based configuration, okay. Java based configuration or annotation based configuration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You know all the things. Okay. So we discuss actually. I think no need to repeat again this one. This is our student class, right? So this is student class depends on this student, right? Yes or no? So manually we create an object. How we create an object like new student, but in our Spring IOC container will create the object, right? Simply, okay, we are configuring like this way, bin ID, for example, std and the class. What is the class name, right? Okay, this is the class name. So our Spring container will create the object, right? So Spring container will create the object. Also Spring container will set the value. So manually we can set the value using the setter method, right? For example, we'll create the object like new student. For example, the reference type is std and this is the type student. So we can set value like std dot, okay, set ID, yes or no? I can, right?
Yes, sir.
Even more set, we can set value like this way, okay? For example, Raja. So we can set value like this way, but are we doing this? We are not doing this, right?
No.
Set the value.
Yes, sir.
We will set the value, right? For this purpose, we are writing like this way, bean. Okay, inside this bean tag, we are using to set the value of the property. In the student class, there are 5 property, right? Yes or no? This is the field or class member or the property. So how to set the value? How to set the value of the property on the property? This purpose we are using one tag, right? Okay. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Property tag. Okay, which property boss? ID. For example, this is the ID. Okay, what is the value? Simply we are passing the value, nothing more than this. Should I repeat anything from here? Anything? Should I repeat from here?
No, sir. No. No, sir.
Okay, we can set like this way, okay? So this is one bin, right? This is one bin. One object will be created with this value. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to create multiple object, right? So this is one object.
Yeah. Multiple.
Okay, here you can set the value like, okay, ID, you can set the ID, for example, std1, okay? If you want to create another object, how to do this works?
Same bin.
Same thing, right? Let's see.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah, sir. ID change.
Obviously, we need to change the ID to an ID. You can change, right? For example, anywhere. Okay, for example, Raju. Okay. like abc@gmail.com or AC. Okay, for example, Java password. Okay, anything. So we can, okay, we can get multiple object like this here, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
And
Yeah, yes, sir.
with this session, nothing more with this. Okay. This is our actually what our actually main class, right? Okay. So for example, you can ask like this way. So just what we are doing here, boss. What we doing? What we are doing here? Let me create the okay. For example, this is our main class, right? How to create the application, how to create the IOC container. Okay, new.
Application context, yes.
Okay, for example, class A, class path XML application context, right? Control
Yes.
space. Okay, so what is the name here? Like application
Application context.
context.xml, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for example, this is our container. Okay, nothing more than this. Okay, done. Control S, Control Shift. Okay, any confusion boss up to now?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir, no.
if we are telling hey container, hey container, if you so we are telling hey container, I want to get this name. Okay, get with which name?
It mean
Like a student want, okay? Student promise or no? And the class is student dot
class.
total one, okay? Like a student one. Do I repeat anything boss from here?
No, sir.
Control S. Okay. Like this out, restitute. Okay, nothing more than this. From shift text. Same thing, for example, this is ID type, okay? So, so can you please tell me, this is dependency injection or dependency lookup in this slide? Dependency lookup or dependency injection, which one? Please answer fast.
Dependency
Which, sir? Which,
in
which?
Dependency lookup or dependency injection in this slide. We are searching for the object.
Lookup, sir.
Dependency lookup, right? We are not injecting, we are
Yes.
simply searching. Okay, for another object, a container. Not get me. Okay, which mean both student two, right? So provide the class name also. Student and the property class. Control one. I guess to control it. This out. Student. Control this. Or shift text. So any confusion, student like ID 10, ID element, any confusion was up to now?
No, sir.
So right now, if you ask why we are both, why we are separating like this one, what is the advantages? So very easily you can see here code and data both are separated, right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
And data both are separated.
yeah, yes, sir.
If you want to change the value from here, we don't need to touch our code, right? We don't need to touch our source code. Yes or no?
Yes.
So maybe firstly you ask the question why we are doing like this way, right? What is the advantage? I hope right now it's clear to you, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
So here we are achieving this very simple thing. We are achieving setter injection, right? Yes or no? Why setter injection? First of all, this is injection, right?
Who said the yeah?
Why this is dependency injection? First of all, why dependency?
Injecting value.
This class depends. Okay, this class depends on the. Okay, this is our student class. You can say this is student class. This is the ID property. So this class depends on the value of this property, right? Yes or no? For this purpose, this is the dependency. Why injection? We are not setting up. Spring will inject the value, right? Spring will inject the value. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Okay. For this purpose, this is the injection or dependency injection. Why we are calling this the setter injection? Because we are using setter method to inject the value, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I explained all the point. I am not explaining or telling any new concept today, right? Okay, all the things I discussed in our previous session only, right? Any confusion was?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, there is no background noise. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, so just consider, for example, so why this is the setter method? You know now what will happen internally. For this ID, Sting will call one method. What is the method name? Sting will call one method. What is the method name? Set ID only, right?
Set.
Yes or no?
Set
Fine.
idea.
This
Yes, sir.
method is not available. This method is not available. So we will use it, right? For example, this is the set ID. Instead of set ID, let me change. Simply let me change. For example, set ID 1. Dollars. Let me run right now. Hold Shift X, right? So we are getting the error, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Simply if we change. Okay, let me remove this one. Now let me run. So is there any error right now?
No.
So I think it is very clear to you why this is dependency injection or why we are calling this is the okay. Okay, why this is the dependency injection, okay, or dependency injection with setter method, right? Or this is setter injection. Any confusion, boss? Why this is
No.
setter?
No, sir.
Okay, so up now we discuss how to achieve this setter injection through the XML file only, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Repeat anything, boss, right now?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
we are configuring to XML file, right? But without XML
Hmm.
file, without ignoring, okay. We have no XML file, but we can run our program, right? So without XML, I mean, I want to configure in other, okay. I want to achieve the same thing in other configuration, like, okay, Java-based configuration and what? Annotation-based configuration.
Notation.
So what we should do? What we should do was, okay, before that, up to now any confusion, I didn't explain any single line. I didn't explain any new single line, right? Can you please confirm me confusion or not? Okay. So now let me create one project to discuss. Okay, file, new. Okay. Maven project only, right?
Maven.
Simply if you want, you can, okay, you can ignore, right? You can skip archetype select all, okay? Simply you can check here, right? Okay, we are creating a simple project. If you check this one, okay, simply check means archetype means simply you can consider one template. Okay, so I'm selecting right now. Okay, I'm not selecting. Okay, let me select the archetype. Let me select the archetype. I'm not creating a simple project. Okay, simply next. Okay, what is the archetype? For example, Maven archetype. Just archetype. Okay, quick start. Okay, or simple project. Simply search this one. Okay, simply select this one. ORG Apache Maven archetypes. Okay, is it okay?
Hmm.
Is it okay, boss?
Yes.
Simply
Yeah.
simply select here and next. Okay. So any group ID is fine. For example, is consider text of only no issues. You know what does in the group ID, what does mean by artifact ID or application name or simply project. For example, day 9. Okay. Is it okay, boss? For example,
Yes, sir.
For example, like are you observing Java? Okay, compiler version 17. Okay, the unit version this one finish. Just wait a moment. Well, meanwhile, let me go to the Google, right? I'm not copying from the previous class. I'm showing again. Let me go to the Maven repository, right? Simply search what? Please tell me. Spinning context only, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Okay. Any version is perfectly fine. For example, 6.0.22. Okay, like this is Maven, select Maven. Simply click here, copy, and go to the project. Then just wait a moment. The project creation. Are you observing at the below? Project is creating, right?
Yes, sir.
It
Artifact.
will archetype quick start. Okay, so it is just wait. Simply let me type right. Okay, so great success. Okay, boss. K9. Any confusion? Any confusion, boss? Can you please tell me? This
No,
is
sir.
our project only, right? This is our
No,
project.
sir. Yeah.
Are you observing in the if we create a simple project, okay, we don't get so many things, right? Yeah, we are getting so many things. Yes or no? Extra thing also, right? This is the template only, nothing more than this. Leave this one. You can explain later also. For example, what is the version here? Java 17 only, right? Okay, are you observing?
Yeah, Java 17.
Mhm.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Change the version both simply you can change from here, right? Okay. Are you observing like properties, Maven compiler release? Are you observing Maven compiler in the properties? Maven compiler release. Are you observing? Can you see in the formula?
17.
So if you change, for example, 16, okay, Control S. So what will happen? Just observe. Okay, let me update this project. How to update? Right click. Then tell me how to update. What I'm saying.
Refresh.
Right click and
Maven, huh? Update project, yeah.
yeah, Maven update.
Alt F5.
Force update. Just observe here. You will find here Java 16. Any confusion up to now? Can you please tell me?
No, sir.
Change Java 17.
No, sir.
Change like this. Okay, Control S. Update taking. So, okay. So does it work?
Yeah, yes, sir.
For example,
Change.
update. Okay. Refresh doesn't work here. Okay. Java 17. Okay. Is it okay? Any confusion?
No, sir.
So this is the Maven.
No,
Okay.
sir.
This is.
Hmm.
Actually, what is our target? Okay. What is our target? So just we configure. We achieve setter injection. We achieve setter injection using what? Using XML, right?
Hmm.
So what we want was now right now, what is our target? So up to now, okay. We achieve, okay. Setter injection, okay, by XML configuration, right? XML is configuration. What is our target right now? That is our purpose. What is our target right now? Please tell me, we want the same thing in Java-based configuration, right?
Java based configuration, yeah, and annotation.
And annotation, okay. Annotation based configuration. Is it okay?
Based configuration.
This is our term, okay? Is it okay, boss?
Yeah, yes.
Before that, let me discuss some important. Maybe most of the teacher explained this in the Spring Boot, but let me introduce here one concept or one important thing, okay? Or one annotation, okay? So
Hmm.
use multiple time, okay? One important, okay? Important annotation, okay? What is the annotation? At the rate value, okay, boss? What is the annotation? So we are going for that.
At the right value.
We are going to discuss about one issue. What is the name?
You have a net, sir?
Value.
Sorry.
One annotation value.
Yeah, we are going to teach, we are going to discuss one annotation. What is the name? What is the purpose? I'm explaining. Let me go to the program. So this is our, okay. Let me create one class. New, like class, okay. For example, any class name, for example, like student, okay. Or employee. That is fine.
Right.
Let me change the package here, for example, fields. Okay. just observe what we want actually. So right now, what we are going to discuss actually, we are going to discuss one annotation. What is the name? Value annotation, right? So consider this is the class actually. Okay. Meanwhile, I forgot to copy paste, right? This is our Google. Copy, Control C. Okay. Yes or no? Where I need to
Yes.
paste, this is our form.xml file. This is our form.xml file. Where I need to paste. Are you observing like dependency management? Here, not here, below. Inside this dependency management, there is a tag dependencies, not here, or below. Are you observing another tag like dependencies?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yes, sir.
Okay, so if I create like it's already something is available. Let this also let me paste here, right? Already. Yes. Talking about this. Simply let me okay, Control A, Control Shift F. So just observe, is it okay? Is it okay, boss? We added the dependency, right?
Yes.
No need to explain from here.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is our display class. Let me add some property, for example, private, okay, like string name, okay? Private,
Name.
it is array, okay? Like private, okay, these two properties are private. Is it okay, boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Control Shift yes. Okay, let me add 216 button. Okay, I didn't say anything. Should I repeat again, boss? Anything? Should I repeat
No,
again?
No, sir. No, sir.
Let me clear.
And setter method. Setter methods.
Okay, you can add, but I'm not adding setter method right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. For example, let me create the main class from here. Okay. Let me create one class, main class, okay? Class, for example, run me, okay? Me, okay. If you want, you can unmute yourself. There is a background. Okay. Like test, I'm changing text from here. Nothing more than this. Okay. So simply let me create the main. Okay. Okay, leave this one. So I'm not explaining anything more. Directly let me create what? Okay, Control S. So first of all, let me create what? Let me create our container, right? String container. Okay. New annotation config application context, right? Control space. Okay, boss. Is it okay? Should I repeat anything from here?
No, sir.
Can you please tell me? Container.
Container upgrade bin.
What I am doing here, simply I have created one container only, right? Is response. Is it okay? Simply I have created one container, nothing more than this. So this is the empty container, right? So this is our student.java. Can you please tell me, is it our Spring Bean or not? Please first, Papa.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Spring Bean. So how to make it Spring Bean? We can make it Spring Bean using
Con-
its configuration, right? Or annotation
Hmm.
based Java-based configuration. Can you please tell me to make it Java-based configuration? To configure in Java-based configuration, how to do? We are using one class. What is the name? Configuration.
Component.
Component.
Configure.
Oh, no, sorry, sir.
Figure.
Configure and paste.
Configuration and
Configure. Yes.
union notation, right? Can you remember?
Yeah.
For example, this is the class like public. Okay, when you forgot, please don't do this one. Like test. So I remove this annotation. Okay. So this is the configuration class. Okay, this annotation tell to the Spring container. Here is Spring container. I have what? I have what? I have the bean definition, right? Or I am the bean definition. Which one? I have or I am. It tells to the Spring
I
container.
have.
I have.
the bean definition. Okay. So we are using one method like public. Okay, any method name like M1. And what is the return? In this method, we are creating the object, okay, like new student, okay, new student. For example, std, return type, data type, or type, and simply we are returning the, we are creating and we are returning the student object, right? So what should be the return type? Student only, right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
To make it bin, we are using one annotation. What is the name? Bin annotation, right? Is it okay or not? Can you remember?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay, I highly request to please what's the quickest is okay. With this one. And another configuration, what is the configuration? Annotation based configuration, right?
Mhm.
For this purpose, we are using one tag. What is the name? Component only, right?
Mm.
For example, this is the student class, right? This is the student class. Like class student. Above this class, we are using one annotation in the right component only, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this is simply the main class only, nothing more than this. And if you want, you can pass any name. For example, like class, okay, why are you silent? Like, for example, like private name, private string name, okay? Private integer age, okay? So, okay, this above class is the a normal Java class only, right? The
Mhm.
normal
Yeah.
Java class, okay? We can make it, okay, string B class, okay? Using XML or Java is or annotation based, right? Annotation based. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Here I'm using annotation based configuration, right? Can you please tell me how to configure using annotation based configuration?
Mm.
This is
Yeah,
the class
that-
name. Okay. Above the class, we are using one annotation. What is the name? Can you please tell me at the rate?
component.
Component
Nothing more than this. So what
one.
the bin name? Can you please tell me what will be the bin name? What will be the bin name?
Student.
The class name, okay? Simply the class name is the bin name, okay? Bin name, but first character, okay? First alphabet or first character is the
Should be capital.
lowercase, okay?
Lowercase.
So is nothing more than this. Can you
Small.
tell me what is the class name?
Small letter.
Student. It's small.
Yeah, the class name is simply student, nothing more than this, okay? Bin name, object name, simply bin name is what? Yeah, student, okay? If you want, you can pass the name also, right? Yes or no, boss?
Yeah.
Okay.
For example,
Yes.
just wait. Okay, let's let me best check control V. Leave this one. So if you okay, so for example, I'm using once more time. This is our component, right? Component, yes or no? Yes or no? You can pass any name.
Mm.
PC, okay? Yes, your okay, then what is the bin name? The bin name
Steady.
is already now. Leave this one. Okay,
Steady.
leave this one. So whatever. So let me make it what was, let me make it Spring Bean. Tell me how to make it. I forgot. Tell me.
The red component.
The right component. Okay. Component. If you want, you can pass anything. Okay. STD. Okay, boss. Any confusion?
Hmm. No.
Okay. Stop that. Yeah, what? So we need to configure, right? we need to configure. Already we have the Spring Boot. Okay. But we are not registering with the IOC container, right? Yes or no? How to make it register? How to register a container? Okay. Please register. Okay, boss. Register which class? Student.
Student.
Student dot class. Okay. Student dot class. Is it okay? And then refresh method. Container dot refresh. Is it okay, boss? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
This is totally not recommended.
Container.
Recommended, right? So I repeat again, this is not recommended. This is the way, this is not recommended, right? Is it okay?
Not recommended.
It is not recommended. We shouldn't do like this one. It works. What is the recommended way I am explaining? Or just wait. Okay. So let me copy up to now. Okay. So see. Relation. Okay. Client. Are you getting my point? Because I am not explaining anything new.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. This is the thing. This is not recommended. I repeat again, not recommended.
Which is not recommendation.
Don't do like this way. Just, but it works, okay? Why it is not recommended? Because we have multiple classes, right? We have multiple component classes. So it is time consuming, right? If we configure like this way, one by one, yes or no?
Uh-huh.
You can use
Yeah.
it, or you can use other way. Just wait for it. So, no, it works. First of all, let me show you a container. I want to get view. Okay. Which view like std, okay? Student.
Study, yeah. Student dot class.
This. So you want, for example, okay.
Sir,
Just
if we-
study dot
uh,
or let me think like sys out like std. Can you please tell me what will happen? We'll get the
yeah,
value,
as per
but
Default.
to
Yeah, default
string
value.
print, to string
what will
print.
be default values in container or other?
Sir, sir.
Who will
Spring.
assign? Who will
IOC.
Default value JVM will assign.
in the previous class only
IOC container.
okay, happy
JVM.
to allocate.
Mhm.
Okay.
IOC container.
JVM only, right? Who will assign the default value, right?
JVM contain, yeah, JVM.
And what is the reason? Maybe I explain only about the previous class, right? Who will create the bin IOC container, right? Who will assign the default value? JVM only. IOC container is creating bin, but JVM is assigning the default value. How? Maybe I give you one task, but you didn't do it. Okay. And at the
Yeah,
above,
I'll
only
do so.
explain what is the reason actually, right?
Mhm.
For better understanding, I recommend you also the previous lectures. Okay. Let this one.
Yeah.
Let me go here. Let me run. Okay. It takes. Sorry, we are getting null value.
Mhm.
Okay, we are getting actually different. Okay. Is it okay, boss?
Yeah. Sir, one question. If we a requirement is more than one component, so that's why.
Simply how you can configure, like for example, a container.
Mhm.
Okay. I want to register
Dot register.
register which class like employee dot class. Okay. I now
Dot class.
so we are getting error. Okay.
Mhm.
This is first of all, this is not the recommended way. Which one is the recommended? Okay. Control S. Just let me show you. So, for example, for this purpose, let me create one packages. Just for example, let me create one class. New class. Mainly we are configuring it this way, like app config. Okay. Is it okay?
Mhm.
And for example, the package name is what? Config. Okay. Config. Okay, boss.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mhm.
This is the empty class. Here we are So how to make it configuration class? Can you please tell me? I forgot how to make it configuration class. Which annotation we are using?
Configuration annotation.
Yeah, configuration annotation. Is there a configuration annotation, right?
Hmm.
Is it okay?
Second one, yeah.
Okay. So we are making configuration annotation, and you can use one annotation for scanning the packages like component scan. Are you observing component scan?
Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
We enter the base packages classes or base packages, right? Or alias name.
Mhm.
Just you can use, okay? So what is the corresponding thing with configure in XML? This clearly telling context component scan, right?
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? So you can read like this way also, okay?
Yes, yes.
Leave this one, okay?
Hmm.
We are using just context component scan, okay? And we are telling here container, please, okay, scan this one, okay? Compare or base packages, nothing more than this. Rejects, okay? Is it okay?
Hmm.
We are not doing
Yeah.
nothing. We are not doing anything, okay? We are not doing anything else. Why configuration annotation to make this class as a configuration class? And we are telling, please what? Please scan these packages, right? Please scan these packages. We can do the same thing, yeah. Instead of this, we can do same thing here, okay? Like a container, please scan, okay? Please scan which packages? Which packages? Tell me.
Form roads are so.
Yes, okay. Then we are telling, okay, a container like refresh only, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, boss?
Yes.
Are you
Yes, sir.
simply let me run. Let me run first of all. If it works, okay, let me run. This is not okay. Okay. Simply let me run, okay. First of all, let me delete this one. Maybe you have a confusion control A. Okay, I'm deleting, okay. I have deleted this one. Ignore, okay. So simply let me run this. Are we getting, we are getting the same thing? We are getting the same thing, right? We are getting the same thing here, right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
Are you getting, please say yes.
Can.
I discuss actually what is the purpose of scan method and what is the purpose of register method. Register method is used to register one class, and what is the purpose of scan method? To scan a package.
So
So Spring container
more than one component.
for
Yeah.
the class, if the class has configuration annotation, okay, component or repository, okay, or services or controller, this kind of annotation, this kind of class, this kind of configuration class, Spring IOC container will serve. Okay, leave this one. The same thing, but here we are not doing like this way also, right? Okay, let me copy this one. Please, you will take this and you will make your own note. I highly request you. For example, other way actually. Okay. But this is not also common way. Okay. This is not also common way.
Container.
This is not also the common way. What is the common way? Delete the same thing. Same thing I am receiving from here, right? Control C. Okay. Is it okay, boss? Let me delete here from
Yeah.
here. Same thing. For this purpose, I am using another class, right? Is it okay?
Mhm.
Is it okay? Simply, I am using one class at config. I am making it configuration class, and here I am telling, please search for this. Okay. Is it okay, boss?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So here you can pass. You can
Student.
okay, like app config, okay. App config dot. Okay. Is it okay, boss?
Mhm.
Or the
Sorry.
same.
What you passing, sir? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We are simply
Class name. Yeah.
passing this configuration class, right?
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Let me run. Okay.
So this way is suitable for writing.
Yeah, you can use this approach, okay?
Yeah.
Common use, okay? Is it okay? Any confusion up now?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Yes, sir. We are getting. Okay, now understand. Okay. So I think you know about this theory configuration, but how to achieve set injection. Okay, leave this one. Okay. Before that, maybe okay. Let me copy this one. Okay. Let's see. Let me paste here. Am I recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me paste this one. Always okay. Okay, boss. Is it okay? Is it are you getting it?
Yeah. Yes.
Configuration. Convey.
You can make unmute yourself. Just replace nothing more than this. So I hope there is nothing new I am discussing. Okay. Is it okay, boss? Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we actually do, we are going to discuss actually to discuss. On mainly the most important thing is the value addition, right? Okay.
So
So
value addition.
leave everything about configuration. Okay. What is our target to understand the value addition, right? After any confusion,
Hmm. No, sir.
right? Maybe
So, but you didn't explain the value annotation.
yeah. Right now I'm going to explain actually.
Hmm.
Okay, but for the okay, no need to create a Spring Boot project, right? Okay, did this one. So okay, now let me explain the value addition. Okay, so just observe what is the value we are getting both here now
Hmm.
and zero, right?
Null and zero. Hmm.
Yeah, no, zero.
Okay, so this is the value addition. Can you just observe or can you just think? Okay, or any guess what should be the purpose?
Setting the value.
Yeah. I think null and zero.
Okay, good. Setting the limits. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So leave this one. So this okay, this value addition was this value addition, this Spring addition, right? Yes or no? Maybe it came in Spring 3.x version. Okay, let this one. So what? Simply we are using this annotation, okay, to inject the value, right? To inject or to set the value to the field, okay, or class member. Let me write, okay? Just a moment, let me write. Okay. Okay, what is the use of the or what is the purpose? Okay, what is the purpose of the value? Okay, can you please tell me? Can you please tell me?
Setting the values and inject the values.
Notation value, okay, is a Spring annotation, right? Used to
Mhm.
inject or set values, okay, to fields, okay, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Class name pass, yes or no, boss?
Hmm.
In the setter method, okay, setter methods for okay,
Yeah.
methods
Of course.
parameter.
Hmm.
Methods, okay, of methods parameters, okay.
Hmm.
Parameters means what? I'm explaining one by one. Don't worry. For example, this is the void, okay, void M1, okay. What is the parameter? For example, integer is okay. So I can set the value here, okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Setting value in parameter.
Or construct
Method parameter.
parameters. Consider there is a constructor, right? Student, okay? Student. And okay, like integer is a like string name. So to set the value here also I'll explain. We are using value addition. No issues, I'm explaining one by one, just wait. So we are setting some value, right? Yes or no? What is the purpose, boss?
Yeah.
Set the value. So this value, okay, this value can come from external source, okay? External,
Yeah.
from external source, right? For example, like your properties file, okay? So properties, this file, okay? Properties, I can explain in one by one. For example, application context or application dot yml, okay? Like environment variable or consider your system property. System property or consider your string expression like this. Like string expression like this. Consider your like literal or constant value. Constant value. Literal. Okay, I'm explaining, don't worry. If you cannot understand anything, just ignore. Just ignore, okay? Just ignore. Focus on that one. Okay. So boss, without setter method, right? Without setter method, directly we can set the value, right? Directly we can set the value. Consider, for example, okay. So we want to set value where? Can you please tell me? We want to set value where? In which property? Tell me. Please tell me.
Other
In the name property, right?
property.
Name,
In the name fields, right?
name property.
Yes or no?
Mm.
Simply at the above. At the
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, you can use like value annotation, okay? Or better to use at the above, okay? Like at the rate value. Okay, is it okay? So which value boss? For example, name, like, okay, like Raja, okay? We can set value like this way. Is it okay? Can you understand? Any confusion? Let me run this program.
Yeah.
Text
Mhm.
J. Are you observing right now the name is Raja? Is it okay, boss? Are you getting my point? Is there any network issue?
Yes.
Okay, for example, we want to
Yeah,
set
yes, sir. Network issue.
for age. How to set value? Tell me. Tell me how to set value. At the rate, value only, right?
Your voice is
At the rate value.
Right now, is it okay?
Simply put
Does it
the
work?
value.
We are getting
yeah,
any
yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
sorry, you need to use. You need to set the value. Okay. Inside double quote. Okay. Control S. Let me run.
Values and integer value both are putting in the double.
Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay, boss? Is it okay? Don't think it is the string value. Okay. Don't think it is the string value. Okay. Automatically value will be converted. For example, if I pass any load of any double value, control S, obviously we will get an error, right? Because there is no match. There is no type match, right?
Mhm.
Take care, spring. Yeah.
Just
Automatically we will get an error.
I'm just thinking, when we pass it, is it? Hello.
Right now, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. So,
You can see right now.
nothing.
There is some network issue. Right now, everything is perfectly fine, right?
Yeah.
So we are
No,
getting
sir. Your voice is lagging.
right now. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, okay.
Can you please confirm? Is everything okay or not right now?
Yeah. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
You need to worry about this one, okay? If there is a type mismatch, we will get an error. Okay. So okay, with this.
Mhm.
So don't think like this. Hey, we are passing a string value. Okay. Automatically, this will be converted, right? You don't need to worry. Okay, with this one.
Yes.
So first of all, you get some point, okay? Just observe here, okay? These values can come from various sources, right? For example, let me write like this way from various sources, okay? Various sources, okay? Like we can pass even constant value or literal value also. So are you observing? We can pass some constant value, right? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Just a moment. Let me write like this way, okay? Injecting value, right? Injecting value on, okay, on it's okay, or class members. Hmm. Okay, boss. Any confusion? Can you please tell me any confusion up now?
No.
No, sir, no.
So you can ask like one digit point why we are passing like this way, okay? Or what is the advantage actually? So here, can you observe? This is tight couple or loose coupling? Tight coupling or loose coupling?
Loose coupling, sir.
Why loose coupling? If we want to change the value,
No,
right?
sir, tight coupling.
If we want to
Because
change the data, we need
we are
to
modifying the code
pass the
level.
code, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just observe. Do you know any class about property class in core Java? Property class. Okay, leave this.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
consider what we are using. So we consider this is our value injection, right? So directly we can pass constant value, right? What we can pass most?
Constant value. Yes.
Constant value, or we can pass value from other external file. For example, properties file, right? Properties file, which
Properties file.
properties file means extension is dot properties. XML file means what? Extension is dot XML. Okay. Python file means what? Extension is dot .py. HTML file means what?
Yes.
Extension is dot .html. So properties file means what? Extension is dot properties, right?
Yes.
So for example, let me create here. Like, okay, let me create one word,
Properties file.
a new. Okay, file. Okay. Are you getting my file? Any name, okay?
Yes.
Which folder we are going to create? Okay, better to create another config. Or let me create another package. Just observe. Let me create another package. Packages, for example, like commerce. Any name. Any confusion up to now what I am discussing? Name, file. Okay. So any name, for example, app, okay? Or app dot properties, okay, boss? So
Yes.
is there any spelling mistake?
No, sir.
So yeah. What is the properties file? Means simply a key value pair. What? Key value pair. Key value pair, right?
Yes.
Key value pair means you have a key and you have some value, right? You have a key and you have some value, okay?
Yeah, ID plus frame. Yeah.
For example, student, okay, STD name, okay, student name, you can pass here any name. For example, what? Like Tom, okay? Like student age, okay, you can pass here any age, like 10, okay? Is it okay, boss? Are you getting my point? Simply key value.
Yes, sir.
Any name is a key, okay? Any name is a key. Simply don't ask like this way, why I am writing here STD. For example, why I'm not writing like this way, only name, okay? This is fine.
Yeah, yeah.
This is fine.
Mm.
Consider we have
Don't talk with him.
another employee, for example, employee name. So we should like this way, employee name equals to, okay, copy, right? Employee is 15. Have you got the point?
Yes.
Anything is fine as a key value here. For example, STD, student, or simply do dot name. Is it okay, boss? Can you please confirm me?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Question are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Just observe. Okay. So we are telling like this way at the rate. Just I'm writing like this way. For example, at the rate value, directly we can pass constant value, right? Constant value, right? Yes or no?
Mm,
And
yeah.
For example, we want to pass, okay, this is our annotation. We want to pass some value from the property file, right? So we need to pass here, we need to pass the key only, right? Yes or no?
yes, yes, yes.
Key only, right? We need to pass the key only, right?
Yeah.
Let's observe at the rate value. So simply we need to pass here key, right? But
Mm.
But if we pass like this way, right, it will be considered as what? It will be considered
Close
as
coupling.
a single only, right?
Yes, or tight coupling.
Yes or no?
Mhm.
So we want to mean actually
Is string value.
a okay, his thing. This is not the string value, right? String value, right? This is the placeholder only, right? This is the placeholder, right? This is what
Mm.
means in this place you will keep someone, right? It will keep some value. Yes or no? For this purpose,
Yes.
we are using simply, okay, dollar sign like this way, okay? Like key. Do you got my point?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, got it. Now got it. Now got it.
Really? Dollar. Okay. Is the placeholder. Is the placeholder. If you know Python or Linux shell scripting, then maybe you can realize or relate this one. Let this one. For example, consider we want to say ASP. My key is std. Okay, std.name. Okay. How to say? Can you please tell me how to say? How to say? At the rate? Can you please tell me at the rate then what?
At the value.
Double quote, always double quote, placeholder.
Yesterday coupling.
Dollar.
Okay. Is it okay?
Mm.
Have you got the point?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Simply, can I change like this way? Tell me, I forgot. Tell me how to do. At the rate, then
At
only.
the rate
The rate value.
Then
Dollar.
result.
are you watching
Diagram
any
wise.
parallelly? Any news or cricket match? Okay. So you are watching parallelly the cricket match only, right?
No, I am not touching.
Dollar, then what? Key. What is the key name? std dot name only, right?
Yesterday name. Yes.
You got the point?
Yes.
Now let me run. So here, okay, bill will become where from where? Bill will become from where? From the
Properties file.
from the
Properties file.
from the properties file. But are you telling from the properties file? Are you telling the source?
No.
Property?
No.
You are not telling
No.
when you are not telling the name. So what is the source? Are you telling the property source? Are you telling the property source?
No, sir.
What is the property source? So simply, hey, property source is what? Property source. Just tell the name. Nothing more than this. One annotation. Tell me
Property.
what's your name.
Property name.
Is that
Properties
good?
source. Property source.
Is it okay? So here
Yeah.
you are giving one example also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How to configure
Fully qualified name.
property source. Then
And
is there any more example? Okay, with this one. Okay. So simply property source. Control space. Control space property source, right? Nothing more than this. What is the name? Link you can pass. Like where? com slash where? Tell me. Next outline. Then where? Comma, right? Or double M. Or M is commas, right? Is it okay? Then where? What is the
Yeah.
name? F dot properties. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay, boss?
Yeah.
Okay. So simply just tell me. Now let me run. Let me run. Okay. Just observe the magic. Okay. Observe the magic. Hold Shift X. So value is coming from where? From the properties file, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just change here. Okay. Okay. Raju. Okay. Control S. Let me run. Hold Shift X. Is it okay, boss? Are you getting the magic? Should I repeat again?
No.
Okay. For example, now how to. Okay, like student. Tell me how to get the value from the properties file. Tell me. The right value. Tell me. Can you please tell me?
Value.
The right value.
Value. Dollar.
Dollar. Then
Curly
D dot
study ID.
is right.
Is
Maybe this is the A. Just observe. Okay, A is only right. Yes or no?
yeah.
So what? Okay, let me change from here. Like, okay, like
20.
29. Okay. Is it okay? Boss?
Yes.
X J. So are we getting from the properties file? Any confusion up to now? Can you please confirm me how to get the value from the properties file?
Yes.
First, you can like for example, this like for example by default this name is not present. Okay, this name is for example this name is not present. Okay, confirm this. Consider by default this name is not present. So what will happen? Can you please click?
Yeah. Default value. I think.
For example, this is let me run. Okay, you know. So in the student.java, what is the name? std.name, right? So there is no value, there is no key, there is no key in the property file, right? Are you getting the point? So what will happen? I'll shift X.
Null, I think.
No, not null below, directly string below we are getting, right? This is the thing, okay?
Oh, right.
So it is not,
Whatever typing.
so you can say like this way, hey, if this key is not present, right? Then what? Then please
Then directly.
like print some below, like display some below, like for example, root, okay? Is it okay? Or name is not missing, or name is not available, right? Is it okay?
Yeah, message we are printing.
You can pass any message or any default name based on your
Yes.
requirement, right? So separator is colon. Separator is what? Colon only, right? Like root, okay?
Yeah.
Have you got the point? Now let me run. All shift text. Any confusion?
No, sir.
So have you got the point?
Mm-hmm.
Example in the properties file. Just a moment. 1 minute. Variable,
Yes.
for example, yes. So right now name is present. Let me run, okay? So right now what will happen right now? This key is present, so this key is present in the properties file. This key std.name, this key is present. So we will get this value, right? This value will be reflected. Let me run. Is it clear? Have you got the point? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Now please tell me, have you got the point? This value can come from various sources, right? What is that meaning?
Mm.
Okay, like properties file, okay? Like from environment variables, okay? From where? From system property or environment variables. For example, let me just show you one or two properties I'm not writing here. For example, you want to pass the operating system name. What was?
Mm.
Can you please tell me what you want to pass?
Operating system name.
Okay, so I'm directly printing here, for example, yeah, okay. Is a value, okay, you can pass one predefined key, right? One predefined key, for example, OS name, okay, what? OS dot name, okay? This is the default, this is the predefined, okay? We check the name of the operating system that we run. Alt Shift X, right? Have you got the point? In this step,
Yes.
you will make your own note, right?
Understand.
For example, in this student class I'm thinking, but I think it's fine for understanding. For example, you want to see the Java version, which one?
Yeah, also.
Simply type like Java dot option. This is the predefined controllers. So what is the Java version here? Java 17 maybe, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Why error? Controllers. So have you got the property? Have you got the value edition like Java 17.001? Is it okay?
Yes.
For example, if you want to know the user group, some external thing like user group, okay? User group. Here's the directory only, nothing more than this. Like Alt Shift X. We are getting the default, we are getting the directory, right? Okay. If you want to see the username like user.name, okay? So this value can, you can inject value to the property from various location, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Have you got this point? For example, you want to print all the path PATH. This is the pre-event only that we run. Just observe what will happen. So just check. You are getting all the things from the path, right? Separator is semicolon, okay? Is it okay, boss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, leave this one, leave this one. Just to make you understand, these menus can come from various sources, right? Any confusion up to now?
No.
Expression means expression. Simply you can write like this or like 2 plus 3, nothing more than this. Okay, up to now any confusion person?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Uh, where we can inject value, right? In the where you can use value annotation. Can you please tell me where we can use value annotation?
In component class.
Above the class,
In-
above the class field or fields only, right? Or the class member, right?
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
now can we inject? Can we inject in the, okay, so I hope you got this point, right? We can inject or set values to the fields. Is it okay? Have you got the point?
Mhm.
We can inject to the setter method. So yeah, just wait in a moment. Let me show you everything. Are you up to now any confusion?
No, sir.
Now let me delete all the things, right? Okay, cool. See, take some note. I hope you will make your own note, right?
Yeah.
I'm not writing here anything. But consider. Okay. Let me delete all the things. Just within a moment, I can explain the meaning thing. Okay. Let me add setter method and getter method. Should I explain? Should I continue or stop? Which one? Can you please confirm me? Can you please confirm me? Should I explain or should I stop? Which one?
Either.
Just understand. So this is our setup method only, right?
Mhm.
Understand, okay. So we want to inject the value here. Where we want to inject the value? Here only, right?
Yeah.
So simply, very simply, we can use one annotation at the
At
rate,
the rate value.
at the rate,
Value.
like
Double quote. Dollar.
same thing like we just yesterday.
Dollar.
Double quote.
Is it okay?
History
Name.
dot name.
So
Yeah.
what we want to
History
Yeah,
dot
yes.
age. Age.
Sorry.
History dot age. So
std dot name from here. Okay.
here the here set age. We are setting age now.
No,
Yeah.
what will happen? So actually this means what? At the rate below, right? We are passing one value. Just
Mhm.
No, method. Set method name, sir. Set age.
okay, so
And
Mhm.
now
now let's understand what will happen. For example, like okay, so what will happen actually? Can you please tell me? Okay. So okay, maybe I deleted this data method. Just 1 minute. Let me input once more time. Select all. Yeah, okay. Setter method and getter method both are present, right? Just observe. We want to set the name, right? Okay. Is it okay right now? Whenever setter method will be called, there is a value here, right? There is a value here. This value will be passed here.
yeah.
This value will be set, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. For example, can we check this one? Okay. So we are trying to check, for example, observe. Yes. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point?
Yeah.
So what will happen?
Yes. Yes.
We will call, right? This value, right? This value we are adding above the method, right? Above the method name, right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
There is a value, right? There is a value. This value will be passed here, right? In this name. So what is the value of the name?
This setting name for the
Like, for
name.
example, Raju, right? Here Raju is present. So Raju will be set, right? We got the point?
Yeah.
Yeah, internally.
So just observe. Are you getting actually? So value is 20, right? Let me inject. Let me set age, okay? Right. Set age. Can you please tell me? I forgot how to add at the right value. Yen, dollar,
Dollar
okay. std dot age, right?
age. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, I'm really getting any confusion?
No, sir.
Have you got the point? Okay. Most you
Yes,
can
sir.
pass is a parameter. You can pass as a what? Method parameter only. Most of the time, we are using this one. So here you can pass like at the rate value, okay? The rate value.
Inside method,
Yeah, before.
And the para.
not method, but in the parameter.
Yeah, simply for example, you can pass like 55. Okay. 55. Which one will be affected? This one, like from this one, okay?
Parameter.
Now the age is
Okay.
55, right? You can delete this one, right? You can delete this. can comment this one, right? Same thing. Have you got the point?
Yeah.
Consider we have a method like this way. Can we pass? Can we pass? Can we set the value for the method parameters?
No, sir. This is,
Why not? This is the method only, not consider any method. Okay. Tell me
yeah,
any method name.
but this is a tight coupling, yes, sir.
Sorry, this is
Tight coupling.
why this is okay. Here can we pass like this way, for example.
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
STD is why tight coupling?
Yeah. Now let's go to this.
For example, like 25 plus. Now check.
Yes, sir.
Is it STD is why it is not reflecting? Set is the radial. Everything is fine.
Sir, then this is a tight coupling.
Just no, it should work actually. Background. Anything on the name. And then, for example, let me like or maybe inspiration is just one. But if I pass like this way, if we directly pass value, like for example, like 10, right, or 11, it works, right?
Yes.
What is the problem here? Just let me check. Let me resolve. That is right. Okay. Integer is just this one. What is the problem? Just a moment. Shift X. So is 11, right? So right now it's working. Okay. Right now it's working. Just a minute. So here, if I comment this one, right? If I comment this one, okay. So now let me check. Okay, boss. Okay, now? Doesn't work. Okay, here we are getting the error only, right? Okay, leave this.
Yeah.
Maybe, for example, if I pass below here, for example, elevate or like 5, which one will be affected for all this? Which one will be affected? Also, change. Okay, and then middle one. Okay, leave this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is actually setter method, right? How to set? Okay.
Parameter.
Okay. So, but mainly for the setter method, we are yeah, there are some other things also like auto add. I will introduce actually. It will work, but not for all the method parameters. Just observe one point. But here, I hope you got this point actually, how to set, but for the setter method, how for other methods, how to set, I will explain certainly. But for the setter method, how to inject, have you got this point?
Yes.
Okay, how to set the value, right? Any confusion?
No.
Just
No.
okay. Now for the last time, check other things. For example, for the constructor. Okay. For example, this is our constructor, like public student. Okay.
Oh. And
Just observe. Let me delete all of these. So, okay, so consider this is the parameter, for example, string name, right? String what? Name, okay? And what was integer is, right? Is it okay?
int age.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hmm.
Now consider how to set like this dot name equals name only, right? And this dot age equals to age
This
only, right? Yes or no?
age. Yeah. Hmm.
Meanwhile, okay. But how to set the value? How to set the value? Simple. And the rate value only.
At the rate.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Invitation. Nothing more than this. Okay, boss.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Like std dot.
Age.
Okay.
Name, sorry.
And how to
First
set?
name. Yeah.
How to set? Can you please tell me?
Let's study dot age.
At the rate value orientation only now.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Then tell me.
Dollar.
Let's study dot dollar.
Okay.
Let's study dot
We can
age.
set like this, right?
Yeah.
Have you got this point?
Yeah.
There are some other concepts also. So any confusion right now we are getting is okay.
No.
Perfectly it is reflecting, right?
Hmm.
Let me change from here. For example, from okay. For example, 66. Okay, boss. Well, check. All shift X. Check. Any confusion? Please tell me. Any confusion
No,
of to
no.
understand this one?
No confusion.
Are you getting this point? How to set the value for the
Yes,
constructor
updated.
parameter
Uh-huh.
for
Mhm.
setting
Yeah.
last week? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, so if
No,
you
sir.
see these lines, so don't get weird, right? Any confusion, boss, please tell me.
No, no.
And just
Mhm.
give you some basic
No,
idea
no, sir.
about value.
Mhm.
If you have any kind of question, you can ask.
In constructor scenes, we are not passing in the upside of the constructor. It means here, sir. In constructor, here not passing, just passing in that here. Okay. Yeah, understand.
Okay, so this is the constructor parameter, right? Okay,
Mhm.
so this value will be injected, right? So what is the right now value of this? So this value will be reflected, this value will be injected, right? And we are setting value.
Mhm.
And this value will be come from where? From the properties, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you get some basic idea, right? Where we can use it. Another point, we can use
Mhm.
for local method parameter. For what? Consider void M1, right? Void M1, which one?
Mhm. Yeah.
Here
Yeah.
we can declare some method like integer age, right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, ID, right? So here we cannot use value verification, right? It doesn't work. Can we go the point? Yeah, we cannot.
Yeah.
So it is clearly completely only, right? Can you check?
But you mean the at value it's not using in the local method.
Local method.
Mhm.
For local method.
Yeah.
Observe the
Yes. Yes.
annotation at the rate value is disallowed for this notation, right? Can you check?
Mhm. Yeah.
Any confusion up to now?
Yes. Only inside of the class, not any block and local method.
Here also you can inject, for example, here, like at the
Mhm.
rate value you can use here, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Same. It is array. No issues. Okay. Any confusion up to now? Where to use, how to use, value repetition?
No, sir.
I explained so many things about value repetition, right? If you can achieve
Mhm.
this 50% of this knowledge, what we discussed, that's enough for you, right? Any
Yes,
confusion? Please tell me.
no, sir.
Personal any confusion?
No, sir.
But suddenly, why I'm discussing? Should I continue or stop from right now?
Next test, sir. Up to now, practice is required.
Sir, what was time from your side, sir?
Sorry,
What was time, sir? Your side?
BST.
sorry, I didn't understand you.
What was time
Okay,
by your side, sir?
okay. In my education, what is the time, right?
Value allocation? No, sir. Time, sir. Yeah, 12:45.
What
Yeah,
about any question what I discuss in this session?
no confusion, sir.
Okay, actually the same thing. Okay, just within a moment, we can achieve our Saturn injection or other things in our others configuration, right? Okay. Just can you give me like 5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So then just stop that. I hope you got all the basic and all the idea. So actually what was our target, right? How to achieve Saturn injection, how to achieve Saturn injection in other configuration, right? Okay. So now observe me. Let me create another package just that are injection. Okay. Nothing more than this. Let me close everything or okay, let me create one configuration class. Any name? Any name for the class? Okay.
Employee.
So need already we have a configuration class app config, right? So we know there are 3 types of manual configuration, right? What is this manual configuration? There are 2 types of manual configuration.
Auto configuration.
XML-based configuration, Java-based configuration, right?
Annotation based, yes.
So right now, let me show you in Java-based configuration. Okay. For Java-based configuration, we are using configuration. What is the name? Configuration, right?
But sir, in the 3 configurations, we are highly which one is used?
None of them we are using, right?
As per their requirements. Yeah.
But you can use both mainly. If you don't use Spring Boot, then all of the 3, combination of all the 3 you can use. If you don't want to use XML, then mainly annotation based and Java based, okay? These are called code based, okay? Code based configuration, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How to do this one? We are writing one method public get student, okay? Student, this is the method, right? What should be the method? Method return type?
Student, yesterday.
So student, right?
Yes.
Okay, new, for example, return new, return what?
Student.
So
New student.
let me create one student, like just observe. Let me create one student, new student, right?
New student. Yeah.
We want setter injection, right?
Yes. I think one default constructor.
We want setter injection only, right? So tell me how to set, please tell me at the rate value, right?
At the rate value.
Value.
Dollar.
Mhm.
Process yesterday dot name. Copy service at the rate value.
Okay.
At the value. Dollar. Yesterday dot name.
Age.
Sorry. Age.
We want setter injection, right? Name,
New student.
Student, right?
Yeah.
Student, right? Yes or no?
Study.
Hmm.
Do I repeat anything?
No, sir.
This is our class. If we don't want to inject air, just observe. If you don't want to consider, consider. Let me first of all let me delete all the things from here. No delete. We can use it for that. Okay. So this is our student, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Can we call setter method here? Student dot.
But not available. I think.
This is not required. Just what the. Just a moment. Just a moment. When you are looking. So can I set manually set name? Set name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't set age, right?
Set age.
24, okay. Yes. And we are returning. We are returning this is correct.
Student. Yesterday. Yeah.
Student. Study. Huh?
So this method we need to make this as a bin, right? Is it yes or no?
Yeah. B.
Okay. Any name? Any name? What is the name?
Student. Yes.
It's the one, okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Any bin name is perfect. We don't use any bin name. Okay. The method name is the bin name. Okay. This is our app config, right? Run name. Now let me check. What we are telling? STD. Are you facing any issues? Okay, I need a student one. Okay.
Yesterday one. Yeah.
Is it okay, boss?
Yes.
Value.
Let me repeat anything.
No, sir. Not
Okay, perfect. Now, for
Yeah.
example,
Print.
consider. So you can ask. So I hope you got this point. How we can achieve setter injection? This is setter injection or not? This is setter injection or not? Though manually we are injecting, right? But this is setter injection, right? Yeah, we are injecting. So setter injection through what? Setter injection through Java-based configuration, right?
Java-based configuration.
So we are injecting. So this is the corresponding thing. Where is our application file? The same thing. This is the corresponding thing. Okay. Okay. The same corresponding thing in the Java-based configuration. Have you got the point?
XML.
What is the corresponding thing? Any confusion?
Sorry.
Okay. The same thing, the same corresponding thing is here, right? Is here, okay?
In XML. Yeah.
Okay, boss.
Yeah.
It is a Java base and previous is XML base.
You can say, just give me 10 minutes, so I'm closing all the thing. You can say this is tight coupling, right? So for the method parameter, can I write like this way? Like name, string name, okay? And integer is it okay?
Parameterize.
And for example, can I use value here? And the read value? Can I use?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Dollar. Dollar process study name.
Are you getting the point?
Yeah. Then we no need to create
means what? Yeah, we can set name, right? Means
Mhm.
to achieve loose coupling only, nothing more than this, okay?
Pass age. Actually, got it.
For example, 66 and from. Now we will get 66 and from, right? What mean? And we got the point, is it clear? Crystal clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
How to get setter injection? No, Java-based configuration. No, Java-based configuration, how to get
Using
setter injection, how to achieve setter injection.
Mhm.
Now, just give me 1 or 2 minutes. How to achieve setter injection, how to achieve setter injection, how? Row X, row annotation-based configuration, right? How? Okay,
how
let me make it. What? Okay, let me make it. What we want, can you please tell me what is our purpose? What is our target? Please tell me what is our target? We
How
already
to make set rejection.
setter injection through XML, right? Setter injection, right?
Set rejection. Mhm.
We achieve setter injection through Java-based, right? Yes or no?
Mhm. Yeah.
But we want to achieve setter injection through what? Through
Annotation base.
notice.
setter injection, only setter injection. So very simple thing, notes, very simple thing. Can I work with this one? Okay, this is our component, student class. I am making it. Okay, everything is perfectly fine, right? Okay.
Hmm.
So setter injection, simply use your value. Can I use your value annotation at the rate value annotation here?
Yeah.
Previously, I already explained the setter injection. Okay. So many concepts. Okay, for example, at the rate tell me std.name.
Name.
Okay.
Rate value.
And dollar.
Age.
Let's make it comment. Okay. Is it okay or just a moment?
Yes.
Ignore this. Just to other components. Let me run this program. I think no need to change anywhere. Right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Pyro. The name is std, not std1, right? And she takes it. Okay, is it okay, boss?
Yes. Boss.
So how we can achieve setter injection, right? Through XML-based configuration, Java-based configuration, and annotation-based configuration.
Annotation base.
Any confusion to understand?
Yeah. Annotation
This is the annotation-based
at the
configuration.
rate component. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or annotation, what is this? At the rate value. Okay.
Rate value. Yeah.
So any confusion up to now, if you have any kind of question, you can ask slow down.
No.
Let me stop the recording. And then if you have any kind of question, you can.